Hey folks, today we are talking about the FishBone Fender. You've probably seen this thing online and you're wondering what the heck is a FishBone Fender. Today we've got this beautiful setup here, this trade show booth inside our shop. And we thought it'd be nice to kind of walk you through a lot of the varieties of ways you can use your fish bones. Come on over here. For starters, the FishBone was designed to give you versatility. Lots of options. So you can see right here, we've taken the FishBone, we've rolled it into a round shape, and now it's protecting the corner of this boat. But what if I don't want that? What if I need something that's a little bit longer? Unroll it, hang it flat, and you've got a standard fender that's super long, about 30 inches. Some people say, well, what if I want to wrap it around my dock pile? You can do that. What if you got a small dock pile? You can do that. What if I got a large dock pile? You can do that too. Traditional fenders, they're round and they kind of roll around on dock piles, which isn't really ideal. FishBone fenders wrap the dock pile, so they're always where you want them to be. You don't have to worry about them rolling around. The biggest thing we hear about FishBone fenders is that they stow flat in small spaces. You can see a traditional fender here. This is about an 8-inch round. It won't go into this locker. However, with the FishBone fender, I can put two of them in the same space. Super space savings. One of my favorite configurations, put two of them together because they interlock and they'll float up and down with the tide if you place them around one of your dock piles. Or if you want to raft up with some friends, simply take a dock line, suspend it between two boats, and now you've got what looks like a tire. You ever seen those tugboats around harbors and all the tires around the sides of the tug? It's the same thing. Just put two of these out, so you use 4 for that situation. You'd have separation of about 11 inches. Really great for rafting up. Over here, you'll see how they interlock. We have the ability to interlock long ways, as well as we can interlock sideways. So you have lots of flexibility in what you can do with your fish bones. If you're driving along in rough seas and you want a little relief for your knees, your ankles, they make a great helm pad. Or if you're working on the deck, they make a great kneeling pad. If you're out at the island and you're doing some swimming, the kids want to play, put two of them together, they make it into a floaty. I'm sure there are a million different ways you're going to use your fish bones. We encourage you to just do your best. Be creative. Send us those pictures and videos. We'd love to share them with everybody else that's using FishBone fenders. We've already got some great ones. And we really appreciate you watching this video today. If you've got questions at all about FishBone fenders, just comment below. We'd be glad to answer those questions for you. And as always, thanks for watching.